Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I just want to give a huge shout out to the Medslant Wedge pillow. You guys, if you have any sort of sleeping issues like acid reflux, GERD, even just allergies, snoring, you get dry or stuffy at night, this is going to be such an amazing pillow for you. It's a gentle slope wedge shaped and it's big. You guys, it's literally half the width of a queen size bed. So you have plenty of room, even if you are not a back sleeper, if you're going to be on your sides or even like me, toss and turn all night and kind of go from one to the other, you're gonna have plenty of room to roll around and spread out with this pillow. The wedge shape is just going to keep your airways open. It's going to keep that acid down. You're really gonna find that it's going to give you a much better night's sleep. And if you were looking for relief, especially from that acid reflux, then this pillow is going to be amazing for you. It comes with a 1,000 night no sag guarantee, so you know that it's going to keep its shape and just stay strong and stable and be that shape that you need to sleep your best and feel your best the next day. It has a microfiber pillowcase cover that zips around it. It's machine washable, it's super soft, and it's gonna keep its shape as well, so you don't have to worry about trying to put it back on and it just being a mess. No, it keeps its shape. Everything is super high quality. It's made all right here in the USA. You're going to have, your thick polyfoam for most of the wedge base, and then on top a layer of memory foam that's going to be really nice. That memory foam is going to relieve all of your pressure points. You're kind of be able to sink into it and really get comfortable. It's going to take the shape of your body and just be something that is super comfortable and allows you to get a more comfortable night's sleep and really get the rest that you need. So you guys, I can't recommend this enough. Put it in your cart. You know that they stand by their product. They are going to guarantee, it's not going to sag. You're going to love it. Go ahead, try it out, and you're going to just be so happy that you did.